undiscovered creature climbing on the mountainside. You know that no one else believed me. How about that? With green eyes and white stripes and salted tears, I knew that these were just its cautionary features. Keep telling myself nothing to fear. It's just an undiscovered creature coming up to meet you. He's the one that's scared. It's just an undiscovered creature coming up to meet you. He's the one that's scared. The undiscovered creature. The undiscovered creature. I never saw this one in books or heard a myth of it. Looks like it came from underwater. I thought I'd seen every life form, but there it is, an undiscovered creature coming up to meet you. He's the one that's scared. It's just an undiscovered creature coming up to meet you. He's the one that's scared. The undiscovered creature. On and on and on and on and on and on. The undiscovered creature. On and on and on and on and on and on. With green eyes and white stripes and salted tears, I knew that these were just its cautionary features. Keep telling myself nothing to fear. It's just an undiscovered creature coming up to meet you. He's the one that's scared. It's just an undiscovered creature coming up to meet you. He's the one that's scared. The undiscovered creature. Undiscovered creature. On and on and on and on and on. I thought I'd seen every life form, but there it is.
Hi everybody, I'm Aaron Fitz, and I'd like to thank you all for watching the video. This restoration is still in progress, and once completed, will be used with other vintage machinery to demonstrate farming in the 50s. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and remember to subscribe for more videos and progress on the farm.